Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So there's a little kitchen, just a local kitchen, not far from where I'm staying, and I walk past there and they've got big fans blowing out of the kitchen, and I just got knocked over with absolute delicious smell. I went in and spoke to them, and it's a good price, it's good food, it's local food, and I was like, let's go do that. Yeah. Hi guys, it's okay if I film?
Okay lang, sir.
Thank you very much. All right, guys. So this is local food. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me the names of these dishes, please? What's this one?
Sultan corn.
Sultan corn. Sultan corn.
Sultan corn.
Sultan corn.
Sultan corn.
Saltahon. 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 I can't do it. Saltahon. Saltahon. It's noodles. It's noodles, guys. Saltahon. This?
Pork stew in black.
It's a black pork stew. What have we got here?
Tocino, sweet pork.
Sweet pork. So that looks like for the famous one. It's almost gone.
This one is tapa.
Tapa?
Yeah.
That's tapa. Okay, I've seen
This one
tapa
is
before.
poppies. This one is Caroline.
Caroline.
Yeah.
Okay.
And back there, mixed vegetables.
Mixed vegetables. Now, what would you recommend me to eat? What's the favorite?
All of them.
All of them. They're all favorites. So fair enough. I take them all. I take them all. All right. So I'm gonna order some food, guys. Do I just sit down or do I order here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Order here. 80 for one meal.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
80, 40, 80.
Okay, right. So this is 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 60. Not too bad. It's not very expensive, you know, like if you get two things, yeah, it's under 100 or around 100 mark. What do you recommend? Could you give me a recommend? What should I try? The noodle? This one?
Yes, sir.
This, yeah?
Yes.
Try this one. She said to try this one. All right, so I get some noodle. Sultan Kong.
Yes, Sultan Kong.
Sultan Hong. Sultan Hon. How do I say can I please have?
One order, sir.
Yeah, one order. How do I say?
Dine in?
Yeah, dine in. How do I say can I have?
Yes, sir. 40, 80. Ano ba?
Can you teach me how to say? I want to speak to you.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog, kuya?
Wow, slow down. That was way too fast. That was turbo. Super speed.
Ako sa'yo, kuya.
I'm not even going to attempt that. Is this spicy?
No, sir.
Okay, maybe get the spicy one, yeah?
This one.
Yeah, I got that one. One of them?
How many rice, sir? No rice.
Actually, just this one in rice. Oh, let's sit here, just here.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Oh, here it comes. Thank you very much. 15.60 to go first. Let's have a look at it, guys. This character, man. Full of energy. So good. I love it. Now, let's give this a go. Wow. Oh, yeah. You know, I don't even know how to describe that. That's like, it's got a gravy sort of flavor, you know, meat and vegetables, and it's a little bit spicy, sort of a little bit sweet too. Maybe there's vinegar in it. I'm gonna get some rice in there. I can see there's offal, you know, like, so there's like intestines probably, like this. Now that's an intestine for sure. But that's welcome to the Philippines, guys. I eat this and it tastes good. Oh, that's beautiful. Mogu. It's coconut drink. It's good. As a Westerner, I think the biggest issue with eating places like this is obviously they're cooking with the local water and stuff like that. So you run a risk of, if your stomach's not used to it, getting sick. But you know, I don't let that stop me. Don't let fear get in the way of a good time. It's if you get sick, well, you get stronger. That's the way I see it. That's beautiful. I'm just gonna smash this chili. Oh, that's a whole chili right there. I'm gonna get this straight into there. Douse that up a bit. Yeah, that's still got hair on it. It's very good.
Masarap magluto.
Masarap
Magluto.
magluto. Masarap magluto.
Oh, delicious, sir.
Yeah, it's very, very delicious. Guys, this is good. This is local food too. It's yeah, it's good. I could comfortably eat this, you know, like each day. I wish I'd found this place sooner because I'm leaving tonight. So I think I'll probably come back here and get dinner. You open tonight? Beautiful, I come for dinner. I'm glad I didn't get more than that. That was enough food. I'm sweating, it's hot. That was spicy. It is quite warm today. It was raining all day yesterday, so it's a little bit humid. And it's just a little family-owned restaurant. And yeah, they're lovely hospitality-wise, like just very friendly, laughing, you know, joking around. I'm wrapped, very happy with that. All right, so I've got to pay the bill, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, mate, I'm gonna get some of these. Look at these chorizos. So I'm gonna get a couple of them to go, I think. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Got my chorizo, so I'm gonna crack into that now. Look, guys, that's a chorizo. Yum. That is fucking excellent. Excuse my language, but it really is. It's like a lot, very marinated flavor mixed with a sausage. And it's smooth and creamy, and yeah, it's very yum. Very delicious. Yum. Oh, yeah. My little friend, he lives here. He's liking the chorizo. Sorry that it's out of my mouth, little mate, but I'm sure you have eaten worse. Thanks for coming with me for breakfast. Welcome to the Philippines, welcome to the food. I'm not even gonna try to tell you the names because I will flop it every time, but it was really, really good. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.